folks? You're watching The Hungry Handgunner. I'm Nick, and I got another inside rainy day video, so I apologize for the clutter. The office has kind of gotten turned into a staging ground for Christmas and hiding stuff from the kids because they're not really allowed in here. So yeah, I got stuff scattered everywhere. Those of you with kids probably understand, so the sacrifices we make. Anyway, what we're going to be looking at today is going to be a new weapons light I actually picked up a little while ago and I have been using. It is the Olight PL Pro Valkyrie. So 1500 max lumens, and I think it says, yeah, beam throw is 280 meters. Pretty impressive light, especially if you are one of those lumen lunatics that always chases the highest lumen rating. I normally don't. I have stuck with the TLR1 HLs for a long time. Until I got the PL Mini Pro, or PL Mini Valkyrie, the little guy, 600 lumen light, and was really impressed with Olight's stuff. So I'm a fan. I've definitely jumped on the bandwagon with them. The rechargeable technology definitely works good for me and my lifestyle. I understand if it doesn't for you and yours. So don't go raging in the comments about how the replaceable batteries are the way to go. For some people they are, for some people they aren't. I don't like spending a small fortune just to train with my weapons lights. So, the light itself is not a small light. It's comparable in size to a TLR1. Just to give you guys a reference point, we've got the CZ P01 Urban Gray here, no mag inserted, and we'll just go ahead and clear it because somebody somewhere will spaz out about that. So, this does have a quick release lever on it, so just go ahead, line that up there, cinch it down, and she's good to go. No wiggle. Locked down tight. It does have a spot that you can adjust it if you need to, right there, so that is cool. You've got little clicky buttons on each side, so that's awesome. Has a low and a high, so low setting, double click, and then it goes high. And we'll do a full nighttime review and all that stuff on this as time goes on, and I'll actually get you guys some numbers when we go in the box there. So you guys can see the bottom has Olight's little spot for their magnetic charging dongle. Just goes right on there, and then plug that into some sort of USB receptacle and you are good to go. Battery life on these is actually pretty good. I've used it a little bit just to check some stuff out at night, and haven't worn the battery down yet. The low battery indicator, it does have one right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's a little black dot. It'll turn red when the battery starts getting low. Got a little crenulated bezel, so there's that. I'm not normally a fan of lights sticking out underneath the frame of the gun, but this one having a threaded barrel, it doesn't look all that bad, and it can be used as a standoff device. So, yay for that, I guess. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff in the box. So, Olight is pretty cool for their rechargeable technology. That's what a lot of people get excited about. And I absolutely love it. You go to open a box, get a little readme telling you that the light was shipped in lockout mode. So, pull out your little thing. There's where the light would be. You've got your PL Pro Valkyrie user manual. On the back side of this plastic, whoa, if I don't drop everything, we have an Allen tool to adjust it and replace the Glock rail segment with this other, I think it's a 1913, yeah, little adapter. Glock rail one's working on everything I've put the light on so far. Another little gizmo that came with this one, did not know it was going to come with it, but it came with a little baggie here, little Olight branded velvet bag. Not sure what I'm going to use this for, but nice little touch. So if we go in our little user manual here, it should give us some lumens stuff. Here we go. If the light is on high, it's going to start off at 1500 lumens and it's going to stay at 1500 for a minute and a half and then step down to 600 lumens. Now you can turn the light off and run it right back up to high, or double click it and it'll go right back up to high. So that's cool. That step down feature is to protect the battery, keep it from overheating, and conserve your battery life. The low setting is going to be 300 lumens, and it will do that for 90 minutes. There is no step down. You leave it on low, it's going to stay that way for 90 minutes. That's not bad battery life, honestly, for a light that's rechargeable. It is weatherproof, waterproof, IPX6 rated, drop proof to 1 meter. It's made out of T6 aluminum alloy for those of you that care, and the weight is 92 grams or 3.25 ounces. So lots of stuff in here. It looks like it's printed in several languages. Not really too upset about that. And it says that an hour and a half will get it fully charged. So a rechargeable weapons light is kind of controversial for those of you that haven't heard about that. A lot of people say, you know, if last thing I want to do is if I'm in the middle of something is have to throw a charger on it. I would say your best course of action is just to keep it charged. For those of us that aren't using a gun every day for some sort of duty use, the likelihood of needing, you know, a full battery's charge worth of light in one thing is pretty slim. What I would be more concerned about is just over time. On this particular model, it is sealed as far as I can tell. You can't replace the batteries. I may be wrong on that, but it's going to quit holding a charge eventually. So I guess you would be looking at a whole new light. If somebody knows more than I do about that, please let me know in the comments. I know some of their other stuff, like their baton lights and stuff, has a removable battery and is still rechargeable. So that's cool. That would be the best of both worlds in my opinion. If you could change the batteries but it's also rechargeable, that's awesome. So the color here is their desert tan. It's not really a flat dark earth. Of course this isn't either. This is a mix of gray and FDE from CZ, and it doesn't look terrible on there. It's kind of a two-tone look. I dig it. I know looks are rule number one, is looking cool, so if this isn't your chosen way to look cool, then it's okay to be wrong every now and then. So this is just kind of a first look. I've been impressed with the lights so far. As time goes on and I use it more, you know, I'll kind of keep notes of that, and then we'll do a full review with some nighttime camera footage and stuff like that. Definitely like the looks of it. I definitely love the color. I like the quick release. It's nice being able to take the light on and off without having to sit there and find a quarter like with my stream lights to get those off. So yeah, I think Olight's hitting it out of the park, and I will keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Keep shooting. I'll see you next time.